Cataract surgery is very common surgery. It's the most common surgery in the United States. Cataract surgery is done in our surgery center where we have a great team that gets you through the surgery safely and efficiently. The procedure itself takes about 7 or 8 minutes. You get a little bit of sedation. You're kind of looking up at a bright microscope light. I like to tell people it's like you're looking up at a waterfall and water is kind of going on your face. Usually people see kind of rainbow colors and find the light show interesting. What I do in cataract surgery with the light adjustable lens is I carefully suck out the cloudy lens in your eye and replace it with the new artificial lens. There's no patch on the eye. You head home, you get some special glasses that you need to wear outside to protect the lens from light until the adjustments are completed. You're seen the next day, you go over the drop regimen, and then we sort of set up a game plan for you in terms of the adjustments afterwards. Told from start to finish, usually it's about a 6-week process.